Imagine if you could double your client bookings with just one change in your business. Adding testimonials will help you elevate your business and attract more clients than ever before. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that here in this video. Hey there, and welcome back to the Girl Means Business channel, where we are sharing business and marketing tips for photographers. Today, we're going to dive into reviews and testimonials, which can make a huge difference in helping to attract new clients to your business and build trust with those clients so that they are excited and ready to work with you. We're going to look at why testimonials and reviews are so important, the different types of testimonials you can use, and most importantly, how to ask your clients for reviews without feeling awkward. So what exactly are testimonials and why are they so important? Simply put, they are glowing reviews and endorsements from your past clients. They serve as powerful social proof to show other potential clients that they've had a great experience working with you as their photographer. Think about your own shopping experience. Anytime I'm on Amazon, I know the first thing I do is I go to the review section because I want to know what other people have said about this product in particular. It helps me inform my buying decisions, and your clients are doing the same thing before they are ready to hire a photographer. So by adding client testimonials to your website, to your social media, anywhere you're sharing your content online, it's going to help build that trust with your potential clients and lead to higher bookings. Let's first look at why testimonials are so powerful. Number one is they will build credibility. When you are sharing past client experiences, it lets potential clients know that someone else has had an amazing experience with you and that they're likely to have a similar experience as well. It also can help set you apart from the competition. In a saturated market where everybody's a photographer these days, having powerful client testimonials to showcase your past client work is a great way to set you apart from everybody else in your niche or in your area. There are three types of testimonials that can be really powerful for your business. Number one is the most common, and that is the written testimonial. These are the ones you're going to see on Google or Facebook or even on someone's website where they're just written out comments from a past client. These are the easiest to collect, and they are the most common ones we see on websites. Now, if you want to take your testimonials one step further, video testimonials are even more powerful because written testimonials are great, but video is where you get to see the client's voice and hear them talking about your actual services and their experience. It adds a little extra touch of credibility. However, it also requires a little more work on your part and the part of your clients. So if you've had a client that you've worked with multiple times or that you know would be a great testimonial for your business, don't be afraid to ask them to send in a video testimonial or set up a time at your next session with them for them to come in and do a quick video testimonial for you that you can then add to your website or put out on social media. The third type is a social media shout out, also known as user-generated content. This is where your past clients create their own social content and they are giving your business a shout out. For example, if your client posts a photo that they had from your session with them and they share about how wonderful their experience was, tagging you in that post, that is a user-generated content social media shout out. These are really powerful because it's not only coming from you asking them to do this, it's being posted to their audience, tagging your business. Not only can these types of posts reach a broader audience because they're going out to your client's audience and not just your social media audience, but they can have a much bigger impact. They also feel a little more authentic and genuine because the user is creating it on their own platform. All three types of testimonials are really powerful and have different impacts on your business. So using a mix of them in your content can have an even bigger punch when it comes to building trust with your potential clients. Let's talk about how to get these testimonials from your audience. One of the comments I hear a lot of photographers say is they don't want to ask for the testimonial too many times because they feel awkward or like they're being too pushy. So there's a couple of easy, simple ways that you can build it into your workflow in order to ask for feedback or testimonials from your clients. One of the easiest ways to get feedback and testimonials is to build it into your client workflow. Whatever client management system you're using, add in an automated email after your session that goes out to your clients, telling them thank you for booking with you, hope they had a great time, and then ask them to provide you with feedback. This could be in the form of a Google review, a Facebook review, or even just filling out a form online. It can also be as simple as hit reply to this email and let me know your thoughts. Building this into your automated workflow not only takes the pressure off of you because now it's built into your system, but it also sends them a reminder when their session is fresh on their mind. they've just come out of their session, they've had a great time, they're more likely to leave a positive review. You can also build in follow-up emails into your workflow after their gallery has been delivered or after their ordering session. Again, you want to do this when working with you is fresh on their mind and they're more likely to have a positive response to give. Another thing that is really crucial in making sure you get client testimonials and feedback is to make it as simple as possible. If your client has to jump through a million hoops to find the Google form to fill out or to go onto Facebook and click on a link, they're less likely to do it. So making it as simple as possible is going to help boost the number of testimonials and reviews you're likely to get. Send them a direct link to your Google form or a direct link to the Google reviews or Facebook reviews, or even giving them specific questions to answer can help to streamline the process and make it super easy and simple. A lot of times when we're faced with just an empty box and no prompt of what to say, we get a little bit flustered and we tend to be less specific in our reviews. By asking your client specific questions such as, how would you rate your experience of working with me on a scale of 1 to 10? What did you enjoy most about working with me? Making the process super simple and giving them specific questions to answer will ensure that the testimonials you receive are the most robust, most authentic, and most powerful for your business. Up next, let's talk about where to place these testimonials. The short answer is everywhere. You want to be showcasing them on your website, on your social media, even in your marketing materials. The more places you can put your testimonials, the more likely they are to have an impact on your bookings and your business. You also want to make sure you're updating your testimonials regularly. So as new clients leave more testimonials and reviews, update them on your website, put them out onto social media. And for an added impact, include the images from the session that go along with the testimonial so that the viewer has a specific client in mind when they're reading the testimonials and they have a more likely chance to connect with that person and see themselves in your work. If you're mixing in different types of testimonials, you want to make sure that you are putting all of them in different specific places. So if you have written testimonials on your homepage, then maybe somewhere else on your website you have your video testimonials. You can also reshare user-generated content onto your social media, screenshot it, share it onto your website or in your proposals to your potential clients. Put them anywhere that you think your clients are going to be making decisions about whether or not to work with you. That's where they're going to have the most impact. So to quickly recap, testimonials are a really powerful way to boost your bookings and your client trust. By asking for and showcasing honest feedback from past clients, you can set your business apart from all the others around you and build trust with your potential clients that will lead to more bookings. So start gathering those testimonials today. It's never too late. You can always go back and ask past clients through email or on social media. Start building up those testimonials so that you can use them anywhere and everywhere that you are marketing your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to grow your photography business. Share it with other photographers. And as always, leave me a comment down below and let me know your experience with using testimonials to grow your business.